Hi friends, and welcome to my new video. In this one I'll quickly try to show you and explain how you can actually get free TikTok coins. We'll be using a free TikTok coins hack on our mobile devices, so I'll be using my iPhone for the tutorial, but if you have an iPad or an Android device you can follow along as well. It will work on any mobile device that you have the TikTok app on. So let's just get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so now I'm on my phone, and in just a second I'll show you how to download a TikTok coins hack that will work on any device that you may have. You need to download it on the same device that you have your TikTok account on. So at the moment I have 0 coins in my balance, but in just a second we are gonna change that, and let me show you. Oops. This is what you have to do. If you have an iPhone device like me, there's one small step that you need to do is go into your settings and scroll down till you see home screen group of settings right here. Open it up, and show in app library has to be enabled. That means if you find this setting on grayed out, that means off, you have to turn it on. Show in app library has to be on. Now, to download the TikTok coins hack for free coins, this is what you have to do is open up a browser and go to this website right here. It's app library, open it up. And when it loads up, just in the search bar, type in TikTok and you'll find TikTok coins adder. This is the hack that we want to download. It will say click to download TikTok coins adder to add coins to your balance. So just click on the app icon and click download. Now it will check if your device is compatible with this app, and it should be. My iPhone 10 is not jailbroken, so I'm pretty sure if jailbreak or root is not a requirement, I'm pretty sure it will work on any device that you may have. So here, just give it a few seconds, and we are almost done and finished with the download process. This is the final step, guys. Don't skip it. We'll have to complete the device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. After that, the TikTok coins adder will start downloading automatically. So what I'll do right now is I'll complete 3 offers and show you how it's done. I'll start with Evertail. It's a really simple offer. All I have to do is just download the game and play it for 30 seconds. So if you see this one, I recommend you complete it. It's Evertail. And I don't even need to play the game. All I have to do is just open the app. So I'll definitely complete this one because this one is a really not so difficult and a really quick one. Hopefully the game is downloaded fairly quick. Oh, it is. And I'll just open it up in 30 seconds. It starts now. Really simple task. Let me reopen it. Because I had to delete the TikTok coins hack just so I could show you how I download it and you can understand the steps from the tutorial. So I know that Evertail, the first time I open it, it gives me a black screen, but once I open it, it's all fixed and all pretty. So now 30 seconds in the game, nothing difficult. And once you understand how I complete one offer, what I'll do is I'll go complete 2 more offers now. And I'll fast forward this part and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I just completed my 3rd offer. It took me a few more minutes, but I got it done. And once you complete all 3 offers, it's really important that you return to your browser, because then the TikTok coins hack will start downloading on your device. And if it doesn't, just refresh the browser that you're on. And now if I return to my home screen, you can see I have the TikTok coins hack and it's called TikTok coins adder. The name is cut off here. Anyways, just open it up. And as you can see, I have 0 coins in my balance. It loaded up my account data, and everything here, all the coins here are free. So I can add 300 coins. I can add 3,000 if I want to. Maybe go for 17,000. And again, so I hope you enjoyed this fairly quick tutorial on how to get the hack for free TikTok coins. Now make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.